Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 3 Rational Numbers Exercise 3A Question 11. This one says a student compared minus 5 upon 8 and minus 0.9. He changed minus 5 upon 8 to the decimal minus 0.625 and wrote, since 0.9 is greater than 0.625, so minus 0.9 is greater than minus 0.625. What was the student's error, right? So basically here a student is comparing minus 5 upon 8 and what is it, minus 0.9. So he has used basically that second method which we discussed in the previous video. That was he converted the rational number in the fractional form to its decimal form basically, right? And here you can see that what can we see is he has compared and made it into the decimal form, and according to him you can see he has solved, and according to him minus 0.9 is greater than minus 0.625. What we do is, you can see that first error we can see here itself is that minus 0.9 cannot be greater than minus 0.625. Why? Because both of them are negative integers, and in negative integers the number which is smaller is the greater number, right? Here the smaller one is 0.625, but he has said that it is the smaller number, but it is actually the greater one. And you can see that second thing we need to check is that is his conversion correct, that he has converted the fraction into a decimal or not. So for that we'll do the entire comparison on our own to see the answer, right? So you can see minus 5 upon 8 can be written as I won't write the minus sign right now, so as to not to create confusion, right? But it is there, so we'll have here minus 0.5 increase 1 0 minus 50, right? So minus 48 from this, so we'll be left with 248 goes 6 times, increase 1 0, now minus 16, 2 times 4 again 40, so minus 40 0 and 5, right? So what do we get? Minus 0.625. Put the minus sign because you can see the numerator is negative, so we get minus 0.625. This means that his division was correct. Second thing, we have already identified the error, now it's time to rectify that, right? So you can write your answer as that minus 0.9, okay, minus 0.9 is less than what? Minus 0.625. This is the correct thing which he has written incorrectly. See, he says 0.9 is greater than 0.625. So it is correct, 0.9 is greater than 0.625. But when we add minus sign to both of the numbers, the order changes. So when we add minus sign, minus 0.9 cannot be greater than 0.625. It changes, so we say, so minus 0.625 is greater than minus 0.9. This you can write in the final answer as well, that minus 5 upon 8 is greater than 0.9. I just shifted this thing here, sorry, this is a minus sign here, so don't forget to put that minus 0.9, right? And this decimal I converted this to a fraction, and when we shift them, so this sign also changes, right? So this was his error. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.